Hello guys, your TV doctor is here. We're heading to Lekki Peninsula for LG 55 inches TV repair. Follow us on this journey. Upon opening the TV, we found out that the issue was from the power board. And so we began the repair process. You see, sometimes when your TV has a power board issue, a technician might suggest replacing the entire board. However, that is not always necessary. In many cases, the power board can still be repaired and still function perfectly well. So, before spending money on a new power board, it is wise to consult a skilled and experienced technician for proper diagnosis and repair. After completing the repair, we reassembled the TV and tested it. As you can see, the TV is working perfectly fine now. So if your TV is having power issues, feel free to send us a DM. We will surely get back to you promptly. Be sure to like and follow us. Thanks.